Well, I've made another of these nuts in stainless steel, and I've got this different parting tool which is made of HSS and is 1.6 millimeters thick, and I've lined it up carefully as usual, tightened everything, and I've got another camera here watching the chuck, because whereas last time we were worried about it rocking in that direction, it may also be rocking in this direction, so I thought I'd film it from two directions. And I'm going to run the chuck at a slower speed because I've been told that I'm running it too fast, and we'll see what happens. Right, what could possibly go wrong? Run it at half the speed we normally turn at. So let's see what happens with this. Doesn't sound good to me. There was it started slipping in the chuck. That is the last thing that I want to happen. Why should it do that, for God's sake? Still seems to be lined up okay, so I don't know why there's so much backslash in this thing. Let me just tighten this a bit more. Don't see how I can get any tighter than that. Anything to do with this stainless steel bastard. Come on. We don't have anything approaching a decent piece of swarf coming off this. A horrible feeling that somebody's going to dig in and fly off the handle at any moment. Can't say this is going too fast now, can you? It's going to fall off now, isn't it? Stand by. That's interesting. It's way below centre, despite the fact that I set this thing up correctly. Or so I thought. How can this happen? Well, actually that's a little bit more successful, but I thought thought that I had set this bugger up to be central. Well, I thought I'd just turn a bit of brass with this parting tool just to see whether I had centered it correctly, because I thought I had. Oh, see, I think that's all right. I think it's exactly on centre. So I guess it must be the movement of the tool in this direction that has caused it not to be on centre when I was parting the stainless steel. Well, what was happening that time, as we saw, was that the tool was moving in that direction, and of course I'd moved the top slide to the right in order to get this above the dovetail there, because of my argument about the cross slide. But what I had not taken account of is that by moving it so far off the dovetail, we've got a slight movement, if you can hear that. Top slide is moving up a little bit, where this gib again is in the wrong place, on the wrong side. Well, that's the second of these nuts that I've tried to part. It almost worked. I've got 4 to do in all, so I've got 2 more to cock up before we get to the end of this task. I'm actually quite pleased with this run today. There was no chatter. I didn't have any movement of the tool in the direction that I was trying to stop last time. I think if I tighten up the top slide a bit and try it again, after sharpening that HSS tool, which got blunted when the whole tool post was moving down a bit, I may actually be able to make the thing work next time. Of course, I've also got in reserve the possibility of mounting the tool upside down and trying that. But what this experiment showed is, yet again, the gib is on the wrong side of the top slide for the purpose of this kind of operation. If they put the gib on the other side of the top slide, it wouldn't have been moving like that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gradually learning how to use a lathe. It may be a slow process, but I'll get there in the end.